Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I need your help today. We're having a burlap bag fashion show. There's 5 of us in this collab, and we will list links to everyone's channel in our description. And what we need you to do is go to each channel and pick out one favorite outfit. I always say that Blythe is so cute and whimsical, these little Blythe dolls, that they would be cute in a burlap bag. And today we're going to prove that. J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, Peace Love Doll Craft with Tammy Polly, and Creative 404 with Alexandra and I each took on the challenge to make a Blythe doll outfit for a fashion show for you out of burlap. So the first thing I did was thought about it, and I went and bought actual burlap. It is not easy to work with. I'm going to ask you to say in my comments, is this a fabric or a textile? I'm going to say it's a textile, but they were really good for feed bags. I live on a farm. They don't even use it for that anymore. Then when I was at the Dollar Tree, they had this burlap ribbon. So I bought both of these. I didn't use this one, but I did use the pink, and I tried to come up with something. The idea was to come up with 1 to 3 outfits on your own channel, and the viewers could pick their very favorite outfit and put their vote in the comments. So what we're going to ask you to do is have a look at our outfits on all 5 channels before you put your, like, say you were choosing this outfit, you would put my very favorite outfit is, and then describe it. What I did is I took this burlap and I made this little dress. I took some yarn and I made the trim for it. And then I made her a pixie hat to go with it. I love those little pixie caps, and they're so cute on the Blythe dolls. I just love that. This is one of the less expensive Blythe dolls on AliExpress. I paid less than $10 for this doll. I have several of these. I love them. And this is Betty, and this is Lil, and she is sporting the ribbon skirt and bow. Alexandra from Creative 404 made and sent me that top, and I had that in another video unboxing my Happy Mail. So this is Lil in her little pink skirt and bow, and then we have Trinket. And Trinket, I had fun with this one, but oh my goodness, I have not counted cross-stitched, and I cannot tell you how long. And I did a little, it's supposed to be a rose on her little pixie hat, and then I added the yarn ties, and for this she needed a little outfit to go with it, so I made her this little apron. These are just little pom-poms I stuck on there. I would have liked to have cross-stitched another something here, but I couldn't find a rose small enough because this stuff this got a big, what do we call it? I don't know, big squares. So I wanted to show you how I did this. Burlap is the most unforgiving fabric or textile I have ever worked with. And when you get a hole, you have to very, very carefully push the woven pieces back as close to where they came from as you can. And now you know why they use these more for scarecrows than for people. Because a scarecrow wouldn't care about that, but I do. We'll see what comes of that. But I don't know that I could redo this and do any better. Burlap is the most unforgiving. See how it unravels as you go when you don't catch it really tight, and even when you do. It's just very unforgiving. But, like I said, Blythe is cute even in a burlap bag. Let me remind you, for your very favorite burlap bag outfit for the fashion show, leave in the comments my very favorite outfit is, and leave that on the channel that the outfit is on. That way we will count up our votes and we will let you know in another coming video real soon. Thank you so much for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Thank you to my fellow collab ladies. I really appreciate it. I'm having so much fun. This is the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.